Magic Kingdom is the most iconic park on the planet, but with so many rides to choose from, which ones are actually worth doing? Some of the biggest coasters didn't make my list. To make it onto my top 5, a ride has to pass my 3 rules. That means no Tron until I'm tall enough, and no Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin, or Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, as they were closed on my last visit. So what took the number 1 spot? Let's find out. At number 5, I've picked a ride so legendary, they actually made a whole movie franchise about it. It's Pirates of the Caribbean in Adventureland. This isn't just a boat ride, it's a massive underground adventure. You set sail for a pirate raid, dodging cannonballs and searching for Captain Jack Sparrow. There are actually 125 audio animatronics in this ride, including birds, pigs, and of course lots and lots of pirates. The smells really make you feel like you're part of the action, and there is a hidden 14-foot drop right at the start that catches you by surprise in the night. This is a classic, but for number 4, we are swapping the high seas for the high skies, and the first roller coaster on my list. Coming in at number 4 is the Barnstormer, featuring the great Goofy. You hop into a stunt plane and Goofy takes you on a wild flight. The whole ride only lasts about 53 seconds, but has some great turns and a top speed of 25 miles per hour. You actually crash right through a giant billboard at the top of the lift hill. It's best to sit at the back as the back row whips over the drops much faster than the front. Barnstormer is a great coaster, but for number 3 we're heading to the mountains and things are about to get a lot faster. Blasting into number 3 is a trip to the stars. We're heading to Tomorrowland for the iconic Space Mountain. This isn't your average roller coaster. You're strapped into a 3-seater rocket and launched into complete darkness. You can't see the drops, you can't see the turns. You just feel the G-forces as you zip past glowing planets and shooting stars. Space Mountain hits a top speed of 28 miles per hour, but because it's in the dark, it feels much faster. It's bumpy and it's loud, but it's totally awesome. Space Mountain is a high-speed blast through the stars, but for number 2, we're heading back down to Earth with a massive drop. Coming in at number 2 is the newest thrill at Magic Kingdom, Tiana's Bayou Adventure. This is an awesome log flume ride that goes on a journey into the heart of the Bayou to find a secret ingredient for Tiana's big Mardi Gras party. There are loads of amazing new animatronics and the music will have you dancing in your seat. The best bit is obviously the massive 50-foot drop, but I love the mini drops on the journey round. They really build the suspense, not knowing if it's the big one coming. The front row is where the biggest splash is at. Tiana's Bayou Adventure is awesome, but for my number 1, we're heading to a ride that does something no other coaster in the world can do. Can you guess what ride it is? Taking my number 1 spot is the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, a roller coaster ride into the diamond mines. This is the world's first swinging coaster. Each individual minecart is mounted on a pivot, so as you take those sharp turns, you actually sway back and forth just like a real bucket in a mine. I love the music as you head through the diamond mine, but the best bit is definitely as you come flying out of the mine and start speeding around the mountain again. It feels so fast, the best thrill at Magic Kingdom for me. So that's it, my top 5 rides at Magic Kingdom. Did your favourite make the list? Drop your own ranking in the comments below. I'd love to see how yours compares. If you enjoyed the countdown, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and be sure to check out my other ride ranking videos on the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.